Welcome back, YouTube fans. This your boy, Tito Lituvero, in the kitchen again. Today we are cooking corned beef, like for St. Patrick's Day. Even though it was yesterday, but today we are cooking our corned beef. We got some parsley, onions, green peppers, diced potatoes, already halfway cooked, ready to put in our corned beef. Celebrating St. Patrick's Day. For all the St. Patrick people out there, we got some nice corned beef right here cooking up. Getting ready to put the ingredients in. Very smelly, very good, tasty. Got nice juice, green peppers and onions in it. Some people like to put cabbage, some people like to put carrots, potatoes, and a little bit of our green leaf parsley to give it a little bit of flavor. When you're washing it out, make sure you always wash your vegetables, your fruits, before you add them into the pot. Rinsing them out real quick. Then we just add a little bit for like St. Patrick's Day. A little bit of green. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Subscribe to my channel, Tito Lituvero. We're back in the kitchen. Now we're going to add some potatoes. We already put salt, pepper in our mixing pot. Stir it up for a little bit. Put a little bit of adobo Goya and some seasoning in the water. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Let it marinate for a little while. Cook it real slow. Put the heat real slow. Let it sit for a little while. Let it marinate. This is how it tastes of the corned beef for St. Patrick's Day. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more green parsley flakes to give it that good taste. And marinate for a little while. Give it some of that good taste. And I hope you enjoy your St. Patrick's Day. Everybody out there on YouTube, family, subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos coming soon. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Enjoy St. Patrick's Day. Your corned beef is almost done. Enjoy. Bye-bye.